McLaren Automotive celebrates the 30th anniversary of its winning debut at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, completing a unique Triple Crown achievement, and McLaren's return to the top class of the event from 2027. With just 50 cars being built, the 750S Le Mans is set to be one of the most sought-after McLaren Series production supercars. Purchasers of the Le Mans Edition cars will also benefit from the multi-award-winning Benchmark, beating 750S performance, delivered by the mid-mounted 750 PS M840T 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 McLaren engine, a motorsport-inspired carbon fiber monocage 2 central structure, and proactive chassis control 3 suspension system help to ensure that the 750S is the lightest and most agile car in its class, now enhanced by the HDK aerodynamic additions. Exterior. Choice of 2 exterior paint themes, Le Mans Grey or McLaren Orange. High Downforce Kit, HDK, front bumper with enlarged carbon fiber splitter in gloss black. Raised carbon fiber, active rear spoiler in gloss black, and louvered body color. Carbon fiber underwing panel with gloss black louves. 5-spoke Le Mans wheel with stealth finish and Le Mans branding. F1 gold special color brake, calipers with red McLaren logo. Wheel center caps with blue/red color detail. Gloss black carbon fiber roof scoop. Carbon fiber front fenders with gloss black louve. Gloss black exterior details. Natural titanium exhaust finisher. Painted Le Mans exterior branding. Interior. Choice of 2 unique Le Mans. Interior themes: carbon black Alcantara with jet black soft grain leather and dove gray Alcantara, or carbon black Alcantara with jet black soft grain leather and McLaren Orange Alcantara. Le Mans debossed headrest branding. Le Mans branded floor mats. Bespoke Le Mans dedication plaque.